Hello, thanks for joining and welcome to yet another exciting video on how to build blogs using the Blogger platform. If you are a new visitor to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscription button and turn on bell notification so that you'll be notified each time I post any new video. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into um, the main content for this video. The video is about how to build blogs with the Blogger platform, like I said earlier. So in this video, we are going to take a look at what a blog is and the different platforms that are used for creating blogs. And then we'll also look at how to build blogs using the Blogger platform. All right, so let's move to what a blog is. Now, a blog is actually a short form for weblog, right? It's a short form for weblog. Now, a blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information in reverse chronological order with the latest post appearing first at the top. It is, an, it is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject, right? There are different types of blogs, and these range from personal blogs, which is basically about a particular individual, or let's say, for instance, I might decide to own a blog whereby people could go there to check stuff about my personal life. They could go there to check about my pictures and so on and so forth. All right. So those type of blogs are called personal blogs. Another type of blog is called group blogs. So group blogs are those type of blogs that are used by so many people. Like, it's not only one person that is making posts on the blog on the website. There are different people making posts on the website. So those type of blogs are called group blogs, right? Now, another type of blog is called microblogging. This one is a very common type of blog because nowadays it's very hard to find somebody that is not on Facebook. It's very hard to find somebody that is not on Twitter. It's very hard to find somebody that is not on Instagram, right? So each time you make a post on Facebook, each time you make a post on Twitter, each time you make a post on Instagram, you are actually indirectly you are blogging, right? So so that method of blogging is called microblogging. So a quick one, you could just go and check online um, what Facebook is, what Twitter is. At the end of the day, you all discover that they are called microblogging social media platforms, right? So you just do a quick one, and then that is what microblogging is. Then another last example of blog is called aggregated blogs. Now, aggregated blogs are those blogs that falls within a particular niche, right? We have those that basically blog about entertainment. We have those that blog about politics. We have those that blog about music, and so on and so forth. So those type of blogs are called aggregated blogs. Now, for you to create blogs, there are different platforms or there are different softwares that help you to create a blog. The first and the most popular one is called WordPress. So WordPress is the most popular blog. We also have the blogger.com platform, which we are going to be making use of in this video, right? Then we have web.com, we have Wix, we have HubSpot CMS, we have Gator by HostGator, and then we have Tom LR, right? So each of these platforms is used or can be used to create a blog, right? Now, when you are, as we are going to look later on in this video, you discover that the Blogger platform, when you want to make use of the Blogger platform to create a blog, you don't necessarily need a laptop, right? You could use your phone, you could use your tablet, you could use your whichever smart device you have that can be connected to the internet. you could use that to create a blog using the Blogger platform. So you have no excuse of saying, oh, because I don't have a laptop, I can't be able to do this. No, you can actually do this. Once you have a smartphone, you could use the Blogger platform to create a blog, right? So these are the platforms that we use to create blogs. All right. So let's look at how the steps that are used to create a blog using the Blogger platform. First of all, you need to sign into Blogger. That means you go to your browser, you make sure whichever device you are using is connected to the internet. Then you go to your browser and then you type blogger.com. Then you sign in using your Gmail. Now, Blogger is a platform that is actually owned by Google. All right, Blogger is a platform that is owned by Google. So before you are able to create any blog using the Blogger platform, you need to have a Gmail account, right? So after you have your Gmail account, you go to your Blogger or you go to your browser, then you go to your browser and you type blogger.com, then you sign in with your Gmail account, and then on the left, you click the down arrow and then you click new blog, then you enter the name for your blog, you click next, you enter the URL address of your blog, and then you click save. URL simply means uniform resource locator, right? It's just the link that people are going to use each time they want to access the blog, right? Then after you've entered the URL address, you click save, and then your blog is successfully created. Then it will now take you to the dashboard where you are able to create your post and then you are able to manage your blog. All right. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the practical aspect of this. So I said you go to your browser and then you type blogger.com, then it will now take you to this dashboard. Then you click sign in, click on sign in, then you enter your email and then the password for the email. You enter the password for the email and then you click next. Okay, so you are signing. So you now continue. Alright. So after that, you will now be taken to this page. So remember I said after you have signed in, you click on, you choose a name for your blog. So this is going to be called my my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel blog. Then after that, you click on next. Then you enter the URL address. Remember I said URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and it's just like the address that people are going to use each time they want to access your blog, right? So you enter the address. So in this case now, let me say my YouTube channel. Let's make it small letters. My YouTube channel. Make sure there is no space, right? So my YouTube channel dot blogspot.com. All right. So now you click on next, and then you click on display name. Display name is just like your own name, so that anytime somebody visits the blog, the person will know that you are the owner of this blog, right? Anytime you make any post on the blog, your name will be reflected on the post as the person that actually made that post. So in this case now, I'm going to write my name, which is Ayuwa Kumar Simon. Then after that, I will now click on finish. So after this now, you see that my blog has been created. So it will now take me to this dashboard. So for you to view the blog that I just created, you scroll down and then check at the bottom of your side menu. You see a menu or a link called view blog. So once you click on view blog, it will now open the blog that you've created. So at the top of your browser, you see the URL address indicated there. So in mine, you could see my YouTube channel.blogspot.com, and then on the blog, you see that the title of this blog is what? My YouTube channel blog. And then when I click these three dots, you will see that at the side of this, you see my name there. So this is the name of the owner of this blog, right? So now let's go back to this blog quickly and see how we can create our first blog. So when you want to make any post on this blog, first of all, you go to new post, you click on new post, and then it will take you to this section, right? So at the top here is where you your title, you specify the title for your post. Then here is where you create the content in the post. Then this section is a section that gives you an option for you to format or edit your text, or whichever text you are entering down here is you specify or you format it in this section. Then after you are finished making your post, you preview. So this preview now is simply telling you, oh, I finished making or making my post. So I want to see how it's going to look like before I finally expose the content to the world. Right? So you click on preview to take a look at what you have done before you post to the audience. Now when you click on publish, whatever write-up that is here is now finally released on the blog. So whatever post you have made here will now be visible on this my my YouTube channel blog, right? So now let's see how we can create a post. Let's see how we can create our first post. So this post, let's say this post is about how to advertise this video. So this post, we call this post creating creating your first blog using the Blogger platform. All right. So here now we will now say, um, okay, click on this link to, okay, instead of writing all this, let's copy these steps. Let's copy these steps and post there. So here now, we change this to steps on how to create a blog, and then in the body section, we'll copy this out and then we'll paste here. And then we'll now say, click on this link to watch a video on how to create blogs using the Blogger platform. Alright, so now after this, we'll now, so if you want to insert a link, this is where you click on this and then you type in whatever you want to write, and then whatever, after you are done, it will now appear here as a link. So now we finish making our post. This is the title and this is the content. You can as well upload images, you can upload videos and so on and so forth. Alright, so after that we now click on publish, then you confirm this, and then you've successfully created your first blog and you've successfully made your first post. So when we go back to our blog and refresh this, we'll be able to see this first post that we just did, steps on how to create, and then when we click on read more, we'll be able to see everything that we did on that page. All right. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy the content that you just saw, make sure you hit on the subscription button and turn on bell notification. Do so also by sharing the link so that others will be able to learn about tech and about programming and other things about the tech world. Thanks for watching once again. If you have any issues, if you have any challenges, you can drop your questions in the subscription in the comment section so that I'll be able to attend to them as soon as I can. Alright, please share this video so that we'll be able to get more people learning from us. Thank you once again, and on that note, we've come to the end of this video. Peace.